You want to know if dropshipping can actually replace your income. You've seen the screenshots, the 90K a week flexes, and you're wondering, is any of this real or is it all bullshit? Here's the real answer. No hype, no inflated numbers, just the truth from someone who's built multiple 7- and 8-figure dropshipping businesses and helped hundreds of students do the same. So let's start with the thing nobody wants to talk about, profit margins. In e-commerce, real e-commerce, not fantasy land, most businesses walk out the door at the end of the year with 10 to 15% profit margins. That's the reality. I'm in multiple dropshipping businesses right now, and they averaged around 9% last year. I've seen some hit 12, maybe 15, but no one's higher than that, at least not sustainably. Is 10 to 15% a sexy number? No, it doesn't look good next to some 22-year-old standing next to his rented Lambo showing you a Shopify dashboard screenshot. Honestly, that is half bullshit anyway. But here's what nobody tells you. The percentage doesn't matter, the dollars do. Let me show you what this actually looks like. A $500,000 a year business at 10% margin, that's $50,000 a year in your pocket. At 15%, that's $75,000. A $1 million business at 10% is $100,000 profit. At 15%, you're at $150,000 profit. And at $2 million, you're looking at $200,000 or $300,000 a year in profit. That's life-changing money. That's I quit my job money. That's I have options money. And here's something nobody else talks about. Your cost of goods are the majority of your expenses in a business like this. So I'm running all of that through a Capital One Spark card or a Chase card for 2 to 2.5% cash back. On $1 million business, that's $20,000 to $25,000 cash back in my pocket every year. Plus, I'm stacking Amex points. I'll do the Delta swap, and me and my family are flying first class for free all year long. That's on top of your profit, not instead of it. Good luck getting that selling phone cases. And here's what makes this achievable. We're selling high ticket products, real brands, real products people are searching for. I'm talking about products like infrared saunas, home gym equipment, pellet grills from brands like Clearlight, Body Solid, TKO, Green Mountain, Pit Boss, products you've actually heard of and want. Stuff that retails for $2,000 to $10,000, not some $25 garbage from AliExpress. You don't need a gazillion orders to hit these numbers. You're not dealing with thousands of $20 phone cases shipping from China. You're selling maybe 20, 30, 40, 50 products a month, depending on your price point. Real products, real customers, manageable volume. And we're so confident this model works, we guarantee it. Follow the program. Do the work, run ads for at least 10 months. And if you don't hit $100,000 in sales in your first year, we'll refund you. I'll come back to that in a minute. Let me tell you what I actually see with our students. And I'm going to be honest with you here because the first year looks different than year 2, which looks different than year 3. Year 1, you're learning. You're figuring out marketing. You're learning customer service. You're learning how to talk to suppliers, how to run ads, how to do SEO, how to do email marketing, how to hire. You're building skills you didn't have before. Your margins in year 1 are probably not going to be 10 to 15 to 20%. They're going to be lower because you're making mistakes. That's part of it. But here's what matters. You're getting paid to learn. Think about that for a second. You're not going into debt for a degree that might not even get you a job. Some of you watching this are already buried in student loans or credit card debt. I know I was before I started. This is the opposite. You're building real marketable skills, marketing, operations, customer service, sales, and you're making money while doing it. Even if your margins are tight in year 1, you're coming out ahead. And those skills, those are yours forever. If you ever decided to stop and go get a job, people would hire you because of what you learned building this business. Year 2, that's when things start taking off. You understand the game now. You're making better decisions. You've added more suppliers. Your margins start going up as you prove yourself to your suppliers and you earn better pricing. You know your customers. You're not guessing anymore. You're operating. In year 3 and beyond, you're hiring a team. You're building systems. You're scaling. Your margins level out in that 10 to 15% range, but your revenue is growing. And now you've got something real, a business with a team, with systems, with actual value. Does everyone get there? No, of course not. A lot of people start and quit. A lot of people simply don't put in the work. But for the ones that do, this is real. I've watched it happen hundreds of times. Let's come back to that guarantee I mentioned. At Dropship Breakthru, we have what we call the 12-month double down guarantee. So join our program, follow it, do the work, run your ads for at least 10 months out of the next 12 months. And if you don't hit $100,000 in sales, we'll refund your money. That's not a marketing gimmick. That's not fine print designed to screw you. That's us saying this works. We've seen it work hundreds of times. And we're willing to put our money where our mouth is. $100,000 in sales your first year while you're learning, that's proof you can do this. That's momentum. That's the foundation for everything that comes next. So can dropshipping replace your income? Yes, not overnight, not with some hot product that disappears in 60 days, but with a real business selling real products from real brands. And here's the part that really matters. These businesses are sellable. I've exited multiple dropshipping businesses for significant money. So have some of our students. When you go to sell, you're typically looking at 3 to 4 times your trailing 12 months profit. Let me make that real for you. If your business made $100,000 profit last year, you could sell it for $300,000 to $400,000. If you made $300,000 in profit last year, you're looking at $1 million exit, maybe more. You're not just building income, you're building an asset, something you own, something that has value but beyond monthly income. 10 to 15% margins aren't sexy, but $200,000 in profit a year is. $1 million exit absolutely is. A business you actually own definitely is. Now you know what to actually expect. Not rented Lambos, not Shopify screen shops. Reality from a real dropshipper who's still doing it today. The question is whether you are ready to build something real. If you are, go watch the free training at dropshipbreakthru.com/go. I'll put a link in the description and I'll show you exactly how this works. The time is going to pass anyway. You might as well build something while it does.